Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good evening to all of you. Hope all are doing well. So today I will inform you about job openings from African country. So there are some urgent vacancies. So if you want to apply, then you have to watch this video till the end and know what is the job openings and what will be the qualifications and experience requirements to apply for this job and what is the applying process. So let's start. As you can see here, this is a requirement for AGM maintenance required in West Africa. So I already told you this is a requirements from African country. So the requirements from West Africa urgently looking for AGM maintenance for packaging plant to be based on West Africa. So now we can focus on the incumbents. So as you can see here, TOPRA, EMBA Corrugation box, printing machine, BHS Corrugation box, sheet manufacturing machine, and level printing machine and set printing machine. So if you are interested to apply for this job, you can apply by this official email ID. After you forward your CV and all documents regarding your qualifications and experience, the shortlisted process will be start. So if once your CV will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview. So I want to tell you again, this is a job openings for AGM maintenance. So if you have experience to maintenance the AGM machine, so you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. You can get this email ID from the descriptions below this video. Next, business manager required in Zambia and Malawi. So this is also African country and urgently looking for a business manager. So guys, if you are belongs to these professionals, then don't be wait, apply as soon as possible. And this is a requirements from a leading polymer company based out at Zambia and Malawi. So polymer or chemical industry and African experience is a must. That means for this job you should have experience in any African country as a business manager. Job title business manager, polymers, chemicals, sales marketing. Location will be West Mumbai for interview. So job mission sales. Uh, you can see here responsibility for polymers and chemicals, handling key accounts in export markets, responsibilities for sales, inventory, receivables, and profitability. Knowledge and experience requirement. Number one, relevant industry experience 2 to 5 years. Self starter with a sales background in polymers and chemicals. Ability to analyze sales data. Interested candidate can apply by this official email ID. So first of all, I would like to tell you this is the openings for a business manager, and you should have the relevant experience. And after that, you should have the proper experience in the relevant field, and you should have proper qualifications, and you should have the proper skills to maintain this responsibility. If you have all capabilities, then you can apply by this official email ID. So there is two job openings for today from African country. One is AGM Maintenance and next is business manager. So if you are interested, please collect this official email ID and apply as soon as possible. After you apply, the shortlisted process will be start to ready for the interview. Once you getting success from the client interview, it can be by online or by offline. So if it will be offline, then they can call you in the Mumbai office, as you can see here. And this is the urgent job vacancy, though there have no times. If you want to apply, then you need to apply as soon as possible. So I hope you understand all the things. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give your answer and share this information to your friends and relatives. If possible, then you can share this information to who want to apply for job in African country. So again, lots of thanks for everything. In the next video, I will bring new information regarding abroad job across the world. After that, stay with this channel, check each and every channel videos in this channel and find your suitable job and apply by the given official email ID. So I hope you understand all the things. Best of luck. Bye bye.